Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the new feature which has been introduced within data metric function capability of Snowflake, right? So essentially, what is a data metric function? So data metric function is popularly known as DMFs. So they actually empower natively how do we kind of solve a lot of data quality related problems, of any of the tables for matter of fact, right? Now think of a use case wherein let's say I'm creating this particular table. Okay, now this table will have three columns to be precise, and some of the column values are populated as null, right? So to ensure the data quality checks, how do I maybe kind of identify the total number of null counts, right? So Snowflake natively provides a lot of data metric functions, system defined data metric function, and one of them is null count. Okay, now what do I do is I'll be initiating this null count DMF. Okay, and this is the column against which I'm going to evaluate my total number of null checks, and the object is this, right? So what will I get? The output of this, it will be kind of an integer, okay, wherein I'll just get two records. Okay, because over here two records were null. Likewise, we have duplicate count, we have empty cells count, all those kind of checks we can easily do, and this is all natively available within Snowflake under a share. Okay, and the schema is core, right? Now over here one catch is, up till now we were just able to do those data quality checks wherein we were getting the integer values, right? But we were not getting the insight about the exact record against which we identified the null value. This is where Snowflake has introduced a new function. So system dollar data metric scan, right? Now, if you are going to use, or we are going to use this function, it will give us the exact records against which those null value we got, okay, in this particular use case for matter of fact, right? So if I'm going to execute this particular statement like this, okay, so what I will get is against this table we got two records, right? For which I was having null values for amount, right? So what all are the exact two records? That is something which I'm going to get through this data metric scan function. Okay, this comes under the vertical of your DMF feature within Snowflake, right? So this is how we are going to probably solve a lot of data quality issues that happens within Snowflake, right? And as I was telling you, right, we can do a lot of data quality checks all through system defined functions: null count, blank count, duplicate count, so on and so forth, right? And also I would like to just mention the power of data metric function, right? We can even think of it like the table which I have just now created. Okay, if I would like to see the parameter of the table, there will be one parameter which will be called as data metric schedule. Okay, so what will happen is we can even schedule this particular data metric by giving this data metric schedule value to maybe let's say 5 minutes, right? What does that mean? That will mean that whatever data quality checks I'm going to apply at a table level, right? All those data quality checks will run at an interval of 5 minutes. Okay, and where will those interval be captured? And those interval will actually be captured natively within Snowflake through an event table, and this is the event table name: data quality monitoring results, right? In each 5 minute interval we will run something, right? And then we can easily query this particular event table and we will be able to get those results, right? So this is how we are going to maybe leverage our DMFs, right? And this video was all about kind of socializing this particular kind of function which Snowflake has of late introduced, all in the interest of elevating the DMF capability within this AI data cloud platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.